Honestly, I wanted to learn something new, and I felt like powder brows was the first thing that I really wanted to do, because I feel like that's coming up right now. Like, a lot of people are asking about it. Yeah, I figured it would help me expand. Nervous, I would say me not catching a lot of informative stuff, but I felt like I caught a lot of stuff that would help me later on. The class, it felt good after. Once you're in that mode, it's nothing that could stop you. Favorite part? It was a lot. I would say the mapping. I was intrigued with that.
You're surprised that you were intrigued with that?
Yes, with the mapping. Because the OCD, I was trying to get it right on point. I was like, hold on. Ain't no way I can't get it on point. And this class really opened my eyes more to seeing the color tone of the skin, and it matters with the pigment choose. Definitely, it is very informative, and she's confident in what you're doing, and she will not let you get off easy. She will teach you what you need to learn. Take the first step, move forward. If not, you're gonna be stuck in the same place.
What's one word you would describe your experience in class?
Honestly, really amazing. Amazing. I really learned, and I feel like it's gonna help me through the years. Not like other people that would take it and just another certificate. No, I really learned a lot, and I feel like I accomplished something in my life. Thank you so much.